Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. I've got a bit of a weird one for you today. So I have a Spitfire, which you'll see in another video coming probably next week. Yeah, as you can see, dodgy undersides and all that. But that's not the focus of today. I also have a watercolour pencil. So today, what my plan is, I'm going to try and give it a wash with a watercolour pencil and see what happens, really. See if it works, see if it doesn't. Experiment, really. See if it works. So basically how you use this particular one is you dip it in the water and then you apply it. So I'm just going to kind of draw along the seam lines with it. And then I've got the cotton bud, which I don't know if you saw, but I did just place that down. So, and then what I'm going to do with the cotton bud is I'm just going to brush it off this way. And dry it off. And also if I brush it off this way, it looks like the direction there that the plane's been flying, so it's all come off that direction. I may need to put a little bit of paint on some areas where it's not quite gone to plan, but that's okay. This is my experiment. This is what this video is going to be titled anyway, experiment. So just kind of draw along the lines, and then with your cotton bud you just rinse it all off. Wipe it all off, should I say. I may need another cotton bud. That was not a good plan. Right. I think a better way to do this would be with a paper towel, as I'm doing now. But I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. But honestly, it may be a little bit thick. But as you can tell, that wing looks pretty good-ish. I mean, it's probably my best wash so far. So I'll be back when I've done it all. And yeah, you'll see the rest of it in the time lapse in the main video. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I've done most of it. I would say it works on the top side, but not so much on the lower side. As you can see, it's kind of ruined my nice white finish that wasn't very nice. But overall, I am quite happy with the result. I'm quite happy with how that turned out. I didn't expect it to work as well as it did. But sadly, this is going to do it for this video. I hope to see you all very, very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. See you in the next one, which probably will be the build video of this. Have a great day.